Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to turn off auto reply in Gmail. Friends, if auto reply is on for your incoming emails in your Gmail account and due to any reason if you want to stop it, then you simply need to open Gmail app. In your Gmail app, press on these three lines. Here you need to scroll it little down and press on settings. In settings, select the account. Now scroll it little down. Here you will find out of office auto reply option. Press on it. Now as you can see, auto reply is on our email account. Now to stop auto reply, you simply need to turn it off and press on done. Now friends, out of office auto reply is turned off. So friends, like this you can very easily turn off auto reply on your Gmail account. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.